Welcome back to the Mekong Flood and Drought Forecast channel. This is Santida from the Mekong River Commission. Let's start with the rainfall update today. This week, rainfall across the lower Mekong Basin is expected to decrease compared to last week. In the next 5 days, especially from 6 to 8 August, heavy rainfall is expected in Phongsali, Luangnamtha, Bokeo, Oudomxay, and Luangprabang in northern Laos, and Chiang Rai in northern Thailand. Meanwhile, the rest of the basin will likely experience light to moderate rainfall. Now, let's take a look at the flood situation in the Mekong River. As of 4 August, water level at Nakhon Phanom, Khon Chiem, and Pak Say stations are still at alarm levels. However, over the next 5 days, water levels at all stations are expected to return to normal conditions. Most stations along the mainstream are forecast to drop between 0.1 to 1.1 meters, except at Xiang San, where the water level is expected to increase by 0.4 meters. The information provided here is meant for easy communication to the public. Please check out our website, reports, and download the One Mekong mobile app for more technical details and get the most updates from the communities. You can also support our communities by sharing photos and video updates through the iReport feature on the app. Your contributions help improve flood alerts and preparedness across the region. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to tune in every Monday for the latest on rainfall, water levels, floods, and drought conditions in the Mekong River Basin. Goodbye for now.